He's impacted by that deadly mid-air collision last week, may be preparing to take legal action. An attorney specializing in aviation disasters says about a dozen families have reached out. Fox 5's Lili Zheng has that update tonight. Lili?
Marina, good evening to you. Right now, those conversations being had are just that, conversations, really advice for these family members should this actually go to court one day. The attorney they are speaking with, he's the current lead counsel in an ongoing case against Boeing.
President Trump said on the very first day that this was a preventable crash. The helicopter was above its authorized elevation, and it shouldn't have been there.
Attorney Robert Clifford says it is not a matter of if, but when lawsuits will arise from the deadly crash last week at Reagan National. Major pieces of the airplane and Army helicopter that collided have been pulled out of the Potomac River for examination. The crash killed 67 people, all of whom have been identified. Clifford says typically these kind of cases take about 2 or 3 years to resolve, but sometimes longer. He noted this particular circumstance is complicated with the involvement of the U.S. government, from the air traffic controller to scrutiny over possible systemic issues within the FAA. Then, of course, there's the Army helicopter itself. He also added the location is also complex.
Tell me where the decedents live. That's an issue that will need to be analyzed as part of the legal claim. Tell me where the air traffic control conduct took place. Tell me where any complaint of FAA conduct took place. Tell me where in the water the plane actually fell. Isn't it on the Virginia side or the DC side? Those may have a bearing.
Now, we did reach out to the FAA for comment. They did not comment specifically about the potential for lawsuits. However, we are told they will provide any sort of updates to changes here at Reagan National. Guys.